Hello and welcome to the very first edition of the Parking Network News Roundup. I'm your host Manoj, excited to kick off this new series where we bring you the latest and most interesting updates from the parking industry. We've got some fantastic stories lined up today, from innovative tech developments to major industry moves. Let's get started. Our first story comes from FAAC Technologies. They've rebranded their parking business unit to FAAC Parking Solutions. This move is part of the strategy to streamline their operations and enhance their brand identity. Here's more insight from Robert Kempton from FAAC Technologies.
Let me introduce you to FAAC Parking Solutions. 7 global development teams, over 400 employees, and nearly 40 partners across the globe dedicated to supporting parking owners and operators in over 40 countries and serving thousands of parking asset locations with 6 brands. Airports to metro areas, healthcare and retail stores, campuses and intermodal hubs. Our company is there to open world's opportunities for these customers globally through sustainable and data-driven solutions.
Our next story is from Milton Keynes, where Egis has extended its digital parking contract with the City Council for another 3 years. Since 2018, Egis has revolutionized parking with their digital enforcement solution, boosting compliance and operational efficiency. Here's a quote from Nigel Coltman, Project Director for Mobility Services at Egis. By using data-driven solutions and smart enforcement strategies, Egis' aim seems to be to tackle parking challenges while promoting sustainable urban mobility, a trend we're seeing more and more in the industry, and I hope that continues. Our next story highlights P.A.R.K.E.R technology and its unique approach to customer service in parking facilities. With over 2 million parking problems solved each year and millions of customer services handled, P.A.R.K.E.R technology has developed the P.A.R.K.E.R model to ensure exceptional service. Here are a couple of words from Tammy Baker, COO of P.A.R.K.E.R technology.
P.A.R.K.E.R are what we would consider to be the core values for how we provide our service to our customers. It talks about being present, being able, having the tools, and just being ready to help the motorists in the lane when they need help.
Next up, Des Moines Marina and Beach Park in Washington have upgraded their parking systems with advanced technology from TagMaster North America and Time Equipment. This new setup includes LPR cameras, entry and exit terminals, and magnetic gates, ensuring seamless traffic flow and enhanced user experience. Here are some words from TagMaster.
In Washington State, TagMaster North America deployed their CT45 LPR cameras, partnering with Time Equipment and TIBA Parks for the Des Moines Marina. The solution has streamlined operations, maximized revenue, and ensured ease of use for drivers. The intelligent LPR cameras provided a high accuracy and performance solution. John Brondello, CEO at Time Equipment, notes, "It is wonderful to partner with a local provider of such high-quality equipment and software. TMNA is an amazing addition to our offerings."
Next, we have exciting news from P.A.R.K.E.R, which has completed the acquisition of Britannia Parking Group. The strategic move brings together 2 of UK's most respected parking operators, enhancing P.A.R.K.E.R's footprint with over 600 additional parking facilities. Adam Bitter, Managing Director of P.A.R.K.E.R UK, expressed his delight at the acquisition, highlighting Britannia's strong commercial standing and their fit with the P.A.R.K.E.R family. Our next story highlights EnSight Technologies and their exciting update to their next generation EnSight Plates. This advanced license plate recognition system promises to improve accuracy and efficiency in parking management. We have a special video message from EnSight Technologies co-founder and managing member who will share more news about this.
We launched the latest version of the EnSight Plates into our ecosystem. So our cameras that track and scan cars, turn on the EnSight Plates module. The latest version is enhanced machine learning to improve accuracy rates for that. So unlock vehicle inventory and identification, frictionless parking opportunities, or just know who's parking in your garage if you're tracking and scanning vehicles for guidance purposes. So stay tuned, that's it for now, but a lot of exciting things coming up with EnSight Technologies.
And that's all for this month's Roundup. Before we wrap up, I want to share some trends I've noticed. The integration of advanced technologies like AI, machine learning, and digital solutions is really changing the game for parking management, making it more efficient and user-friendly. We're seeing more companies adopting data-centric solutions and smart enforcement strategies, which is good news for promoting sustainable urban mobility. The consolidation in the industry, as seen with Q.P.A.R.K.'s acquisition of Britannia Parking and many others in the recent past, shows that companies are expanding their reach to offer better services. Thank you for joining us for this first edition of Parking Network News Roundup. Don't forget to keep an eye on parking.net for the latest in the industry. Hope to see you again soon.